beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we're going to do another makeup look. We're going to do a simple cut crease, no creativity, none of that craziness kind of makeup look. So it's date night, Valentine's Day, if you guys are going to go out to have dinner, if you guys are going out or anything like that, or even for any kind of pretty date night, we are going to do it. But this is for Valentine's Day, so I figured I did two creative looks. Did one romantic look. Let's do a simple look. It's going to be a cut crease, but it's going to be a really simple cut crease. I saw Juicy Jazz do a drugstore version of this. I'm not going to do a specific drugstore version. I'm just going to do a simple cut crease so that you guys can see how easy it can be. So if you're interested, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. So as you can see, I have my brows on. I've primed my lids. I put my INH hair Lola ponytail on, and we're ready. We're gonna get in this. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover just because my throat is acting like kind of crazy, and I kind of want to listen to music just because I'm feeling some type of way. I got a lot of stuff going on right now, so yeah, switch to voiceover mode. So let's go ahead and jump into this Valentine's Day look. So we're going to take the Sweet Pinks palette from Juvia's Place. I'm obsessed with this palette. It's just super, super pretty. I happened to be at Ulta and I found it and I said, yes, we're going to take that. So I'm taking a fluffy blending brush from Morphe and we're going to take that into our crease. I put my eyeshadow tapes on and here we go. I'm going to build that up in my crease. I want it nice and pink. I'm going back and forth. This palette is just so super pretty. I enjoyed it. It's very much pigmented. I dig Juvia's Place a lot. Then I went and changed my brush and I used a Farrah brush that I have that's a little bit smaller and dense, and I wanted to make sure to pack the pink in the crease because I'm going to be cutting my crease. And I'm doing a half cut crease. As you can see, this is with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor 02. You know, this is my favorite base. And we're just going to go in there. You can go with a lighter base or you can cut your crease with makeup remover, but I just did it this way. Then I'm going to go into this pink shade in the palette and we're going to put that all over the lid. It's going to act as like the pink base because I wanted to put something else on top, which you're going to see next. So I just put this all over where I just put that. This is the new e.l.f. glitter eyeshadow, and this is in the color Pinky Swear. Oh my god, this color is so super pretty. I love it. I used it with a brush first and then I was like, you know what, girl, just use the applicator. So I was really precise and I used it with the applicator and I like it better. So that's just me checking to see if it has the right angles, and I did. I love it. This is how it looks so far. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with some liner. This is the Jet Setter liner from LA Girl, and I really enjoy this liner a lot. It's really black and it's matte, so I like it a lot. And I'm just doing my wings. I wanted some nice pretty sharp wings, so that's what you see me doing here. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with mascara. I used the Maybelline Sky High mascara. It's kind of my obsession right now. This one and the Lash Princess one from Essence are awesome. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with my lashes and my Duo Glue. These are the Lash Couture Luxe Extensions lashes from Kiss, and I'm obsessed with them. They're in Black Swan. Then I went in with the LA Girl Kajal pencil and I just tight lined. Now you see me putting on my base. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and then I'm using the Essence new foundation. This is their Pretty Natural foundation, and I gotta say, no one is talking about this foundation, but this is so good. It is hydrating. It has hyaluron and aloe vera in it, and I think it leaves my skin looking so super beautiful. I think people should definitely talk about this a lot more. This one is really, really good, and I'm obsessed with the Wet n Wild one. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito full coverage concealer, and this concealer is actually pretty good too. It's very hydrating and it's also very full, not full, I would say more of a medium buildable coverage, and I dig it. So I've been doing my concealer like this for a while and I kind of like it a lot better. I think it just lifts my face a lot more. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see here. And I'm using my Camo Concealer sponge. Now I'm going with the One Size translucent setting powder. This powder is so pretty. It definitely blurs my skin, and Patrick did a good job. I've been using it with a powder puff versus my damp sponge, and I like to apply it like that better. And then I went ahead with my Soap and Glory brush and kind of just put it all over my T-zone. Then I went in with this new blush that I got also at Ulta. This is my e.l.f. Putty Blush, and this is in Bora Bora. Oh my gosh, this is the prettiest pink blush ever. Then I went in with bronzer, and this is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer in Forever Sunkissed. Such a beautiful bronzer. e.l.f. just like does it so good. I just dig them. They're good. I can't wait. I want to work with them one day. They're so like awesome. They can't do anything wrong. They do it really good. Now to set that putty blush, I'm using this Pixie blush. This is like in Whisper Pink. It's called the Fresh Face Blush, and I think it's really pretty. It has like little gold flecks in it. For highlighter, I decided to go in with the ColourPop Mr. Wind highlighter. This is the Super Shock Cheek, and it's like a putty almost. Then I sprayed my face with the LA Girl setting powder. Then I went ahead and finished off the lower lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that pink color and go in with my Alamar Cosmetics brush. And I'm just going to buff out all that on the bottom lashes. It's such a pretty color. It's like a baby pink. Then I went in with that Kajal pencil and did my waterline. This pencil is so glidey. It just goes like, I only have to do it once, but I wanted it nice and intense, so I did it twice. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with my BFF2 Lippy Pencil from ColourPop. And I put that all over my lips and overdrew my lips a little bit. Went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Last Matte Lipstick in Never Nude as my topper. And then I decided to go in with my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the Universal color because I haven't used this in a while. And this is a thicker formula, so I didn't put too much. Then we went in and sprayed our face one more time before putting on our mascara because I want this makeup to stay, which it did. Then I decided I wanted an intense inner corner highlight, so I went in with the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration in the color Maiden. These are her pigments. And then I wet my brush and decided I wanted a little bit better, and it was just beautiful. And this is the final look. I'm obsessed with this look. I think it came out super pretty. I would wear this any day of the week. I got so many compliments. It was easy to create. It was beautiful. I love it. I hope you guys recreate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, of course, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. And yes, I love doing makeup looks like this. If you guys want me to do more tutorial looks or tutorial videos, please let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you like. If you like if you like voiceovers, let me know. If you like me just to talk through it like I did with the first look, then go ahead and let me know as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is super pretty. I felt super pretty in this makeup look. I don't know if it was just the day or the makeup or whatever. Everything worked so well. And the key to long-lasting makeup is obviously a good primer and definitely spraying your face in between each layer because that's what kept this on so long. Thanks again, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.